What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Truly appreciate it, and like the video for me. But today we're going to go over just on how I shape the beards. As you can see, this is one of my clients. He does look like Dan Bilzerian in my opinion. He's got that same very high cheeks for the line, and then also a very squared and chiseled beard. So I'm going to be walking you guys through on how I shape this beard. And when I first start shaping, as you can tell, I work on the outside of the beards, making sure that's nice and tight to his face. And I'm just getting all those straggler hairs that are, flying away or sticking off of his face. And as you can see, I'm cleaning that up, coming straight off his face. I like to have the clipper, the lower part of the blade, like the back side of it, kind of rest on his face, so the blades aren't fully on his face, and I kind of just come straight down, clean off whatever hairs are flying out. And then once you do to one side, you do to the other. So I kind of have him tilt his head more towards me, so I could kind of see those hairs flying out. And like I said, you just kind of be above them, and you come just straight down off their face, go tighter, the higher you are, and then as you come lower, you kind of flare out a little bit, just to give that nice and squared look. And as you can tell, I'm just having the blade rest on his face, and I'm coming down and just letting the clipper do its work. So after we go ahead and do the sides, I like to go ahead and attack the bottom, and he likes it nice and squared, so squared in the back, squared across, and coming to a slight point in the front. So right now all I'm doing is angling and just reshaping whatever grew out. So keeping it as low as possible, because this is kind of just like a cleanup. I'm not really taking too much length off, and we're just edging up. So we're starting from the front, because we want to keep that as long as possible, and I'm just bringing that back to where it's going to be nice and flat and the fullest. And the clipper I am using here is my Gamma Ergo clippers. These are by far the best clipper for shaping. It has such a high torque motor and cuts so precise that it doesn't push the hair at all. It just goes right through and cuts the hair exactly how you want it. So I really recommend these if you do a lot of beard shaping or you shape a lot of afros. Next, I like to let my client rest his head back, and I go back with my trimmers and just line up right under where I shaped into, just to get a nice defined line. And then we're going to go back over later and redefine the shape of it, just to make sure everything's flowing perfectly. And these are also my Gamma Evo trimmers, which I highly recommend as well. If you do want to purchase any of these trimmers or clippers, links will be down below. I have a code that will save you guys 10% off. Also, pay attention to guys how low his neckline is. It's about a finger above his Adam's apple, and it's going straight across. It's not angling up towards his jaw, and that's what's giving him that big beard look to it, is how low his beard line is. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dust off my client so he's nice and clean, I can really see. And like I said, now I'm going back and redefining, and now I'm going into that line that I created with the trimmer, but now with my clipper, just to get everything nice and defined, making sure that it's nice and chiseled and shaped up just how my client likes it, and squared off. Now I just like to go look back, let my client kind of look at it, see if he likes it. He likes the shape, he likes the structure of it, and that's pretty much going to be it, YouTube. It's pretty simple. As you can see, he kind of flares it to bring it to a point. I'm just going to throw a little bit of pomade in his hair just to give him a little bit of, a sleek look. But that's pretty much it, YouTube. All you got to do is, work on the outside of the beards, work on the bottom, create that shape that you want, and then go back with your trimmers to define the line, and then go ahead and look at the beard and see what you like. But make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you guys would like to see. But I hope you guys enjoyed that one and learned something new, and catch you guys on the next one, right?